Hello, it's Damien from Toolforce. Brand new Milwaukee lawnmowers just arrived in our warehouse this morning, eagerly awaited. So if you're one of the customers that has one of the Milwaukee lawnmowers on back order, these are all being dispatched today. So all being well, you should see these guys tomorrow. So it's a 36-volt lawnmower, two of the M18 12 amp hour batteries slotted in here. So you have various functions with this lawnmower. You've got a grass box for collection. It has also a mulching feature, and it also has a setting that it can put the grass out the side for longer grass. You have a safety switch here. So to start the mower, you simply put this in. That has the safety function, obviously. You've got 4 different settings. Sorry, I beg your pardon. It's got 5 different settings for different speeds for walking behind. You have got LED lights, which is a pretty cool feature. If you decide to cut your grass in the dark, pretty cool. These are on our website. You'll be able to click the link on this video. It'll bring you straight to the lawnmower. We've got some more information there, some videos and different features on the lawnmower. Thank you very much for watching. It's Damien from Toolforce.